Yeah, viewers and subs, we're just doing some cleaning on this car and trying to rebuild it back, from the state that it was in. So we're putting in some cleaning on the engine, So I don't want to bore you guys, but I'd love if someone enjoyed this video by learning how to clean their engine and keep their car really nice and stuff. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much and continue watching. Today we're gonna work on the Passat again, and we're gonna do cleaning the engine. Yeah, we're gonna clean the engine and clean the rims and all of that, and do some cleaning on this car. So stay tuned and watch. Let's enjoy doing this. Alright, work with me. I'll clean up the engine. Yeah, now see the engine cover quite dirty. TSI turbo. Dirty and nasty, and engine very nasty too. A lot of oil. From I buy this thing, I don't really do a lot of cleaning because we do the transmission and all the oozes and everything nasty in here, real dirty and thing. We're gonna do new spark plugs, and we already changed the air filter already and the engine oil. So see all that, we're gonna get all this clean today. All this gonna be clean today. Then we're gonna have to clean up all that rim. See all them rim out there nasty. That one not so bad. I did like a bit of cleaning on it. So I'm gonna do all the rest today and clean all up. And then when I'm finished, I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah. See? That's dirty right here. Get out all of that. All those dirts back here. Not gonna be 100% pretty, but when it's done, it will be better. It'll be way better when it's done. Alright guys, so stay tuned, keep watching, and when I'm finished, I know it's gonna look better. Keep this car nice, shiny. I love when my engine pretty. Yeah, not make your car feel good or look good, like when your engine pretty and nice. Maintain it, do your oil change, do all of that, and you should be happy, and the car will be happy too. Yeah, there's some cleaning solution in there, so I'm gonna spray that all over the engine, pump it, and yeah, this guy can go over there, guy can go there. But for this right here, I'm gonna spray the engine down like that and make it soak. Spray it down and let it soak. Get off all that gunk. And then wash it down. When it's done, it's gonna be nice, man. Pretty, shiny. See all down there? All those grease down there. All that. Try not to make it get in the alternator and stuff like that. And some of the wiring, otherwise it start misfire and skip. Right there. See all those spots. Clean. Spray out all those spots. As long as it doesn't get in the wires, you're all good. Then you get a brush, the wheel, and spray down all the wheels too. Alright. Spray them all down and soak. And get off all that cruff. Front ones too. Spray them all down. This product worked good. Yeah. Wheels. Spraying on all the wheels. I make them soak. Alright, so now we're gonna get some hot water in a bucket with a brush and brush this all down. I'll be right back. My brush. All the grease, dirt, and grime. Yeah. See all those grease and dirt, you know, the soap, hot water, and start clean. Yeah. Clean all of that, because you want it to look nice. See, you want it to look real nice when you're done. Like, you know, see, brush, get your brush and get in between all these dirt and those dirt down in there. When I finish, I'll show you all the good product. It's gonna be a short video, no long video, you know, but just trying to show you how to clean your engine if you never done it before. Yeah, all right. So now it's cleaning. See, it's looking a lot better now. It's looking a lot better now. Coming up. Still have that. Still have all that spot leave. Over there. And then up there. So I'm trying to get this angle right here. Yeah. Get all of that clean. Yeah. To get that clean, and then that. Yeah. Water getting messy. Alright, engine coming up, looking good. This is where you wash and clean your engine, guys. Don't have to have a pressure hose. You can just do it slowly, nice and easy. Yeah, now we're doing the rims. Look at the rims, they're horrible. Look at all that dirt. I spray them and soak them, and it's still not moving. All that brake cruff on them. I spray this thing and clean, soak them all night with the wheel cleaner and all of that. They're still cruffy. So I'm gonna have to clean all of this. And when I'm done, yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all of this, man. And when I'm done, I'm gonna show you what it looked like. It's all from the brake, from the rotor, because the car has been parked for a while. So the rotor is all, when you drive, it rusts, all that rust and cruff come off on the wheels and let it look like that, and they stick to the rim. So it's gonna be hard to get it off, but I soak it overnight. I'm trying to get it now, so as soon as I'm done with the finished product, guys, I'll show it to you. Okay guys, see the rim, nice and clean, steel wool, Dawn soap, dishwashing liquid, and all of that. See, pretty now, nice. Then we're moving up to this one next. Get that one clean next. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, now I'm cleaning this other wheel right here, you know. See, trying to get this other wheel clean. I did most of it already. So it's just more I have to get done. Yeah. See? Oh. Yeah, gonna get the rest now. Alright, so stay tuned and keep watching as I get this wheel. Cause look, I take most of that one off already. Yeah, so watch dirt. Yeah. And get him all out. See? Makes you shiny and pretty, man. Ooh. Yeah, all right. Make your baby look good, clean and pretty and shiny for the road. Don't have water hose, you can do that. Clean off the tar, the bug tar. Wash them out. Yeah, time for shine. Makes you look pretty. Look at that. Get windy now. Yeah guys, look at the engine. See how shiny it becomes. Pretty and nice. Yeah. Looking good now. And wheels. Yeah, and we're gonna put the covering back on. See, covering on. That's what they do when you clean your engine. Pretty and nice, shiny. Yeah, I love it, and I know you will love it too. All right, that's how you clean a Passat or any other engine you got. Make it look shine, car happy. Yeah, service done on the VW Passat. New spark plugs, engine, everything all cleaned up. Oil change, full service. Now she look nice, ready for the road. Yeah, so I basically done all that service on this now. So it's the coolant and everything done, transmission finish, just some tires now, and she ready for the road. Yeah, that's what they use to clean your engine. Just a few little stuff: a bucket, a bottle of water, some brush, some steel wool, some trim shine, and some Professor Amos cleaner in that bottle. See, and it's done. Alright, looking forward to the next one. Like this video, please subscribe, like and share. I really enjoy doing this for you guys, making it beautiful video so you can watch all the time.